Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 1.3 question number 4. Express 0.99999 in the form P by Q. Are you surprised by your answer? With your teacher and classmate discuss why the answer makes sense. Let us find. Let us find the value of this one. Let here it is given that value is 0.0.9999999 That means the 9 is repeating, right? Let x is equal to 0.99999 right? If I multiply both sides by 10, then we are getting 10x. 10x is equal to 9.99999 right, by 10x. Or it can be written as 10x is equal to 10x is equal to 9 plus 0.99999 or you can write here as 10x is equal to 10x is equal to 9 plus this is value of x 0.99999 therefore 9 plus x or 10x minus x is equal to 9 or 10x minus 9x is 9x is equal to 9. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 1 and that is the answer. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.